In the vibrant heart of Jamaica, amidst the lush green mountains and sparkling Caribbean waves, a new hero emerged, Booty Diamond. Once an ordinary woman named Shauna, she discovered her extraordinary powers after a mysterious meteorite crashed into the Blue Mountains, releasing a shimmering emerald crystal. One evening, as Shauna was tending her garden, she felt a powerful energy surge through her. Her skin shimmered with a radiant glow, and her body transformed into a shining fortress of strength and agility. She realized she had become Booty Diamond, the protector of women and children on the island. Word spread quickly of her abilities. With her super strength, agility, and the power to emit an unbreakable protective shield, Booty Diamond became a beacon of hope. She patrolled the island's neighborhoods, especially the vulnerable areas where predators lurked. One night, a gang of traffickers tried to abduct children from a local village. As they approached, Booty Diamond appeared in a flash of emerald light. With a swift move, she created a luminous barrier that cut off their path, her voice echoing like thunder. "Not on my watch!" The traffickers froze, trembling at her formidable presence. Using her super agility, Booty Diamond disarmed them and called the local authorities. The children cheered, their faces lighting up with relief and admiration. But her mission wasn't just about stopping threats. It was about empowering women and children. She held community workshops, teaching self-defense and resilience, inspiring the next generation to stand tall and fearless. As dawn broke over the Caribbean Sea, Booty Diamond vanished into the sunrise, her emerald glow fading into the horizon. The island knew she was always watching, ready to protect and inspire. And so, the legend of Booty Diamond, the shining guardian of Jamaica, continued, her spirit forever embedded in the heart of the island she loved.